Hey everyone, welcome to lesson number 2, урок 2. In today's lesson, we will ask and answer a question, что это? What is this? We will learn the gender of Russian nouns and basic vocabulary. And then we will learn Russian conjunctions a and i. So last time we talked about animate nouns and asked a question, кто это? Who is this? For people and animals. Now it's time for inanimate nouns. The question for inanimate nouns will be что? Что? Что это? Notice how I pronounce this combination of consonants. Что, even though it's written что. Okay, so let's just have lots of examples. And while I'm saying my sentences, make sure you repeat after me to practice your vocabulary. Notice my intonation. Что это? Это чай. Что это? Это кофе. Что это? Это ручка. Что это? Это карандаш. Что это? Это словарь. Что это? Это тетрадь. Что это? Это книга. Что это? Это учебник. Что это? Это сумка. Что это? Это газета. So you probably noticed my intonation with a specific question. Что это? And my statement. Это ручка. Now it's time to ask a general question. And notice the structure of the sentence. The structure of the sentence is the same. To ask a question, we don't even have to switch words in the sentence. Everything is regulated by intonation. Now listen carefully how I will pronounce this general question, whether it's a pen. Это ручка. Это ручка. I wonder if it's a pen. So this is my logical emphasis, and that's where I find my stressed syllable and raise my voice really high. Это ручка. And obviously it's a pen. Да, ручка. Это карандаш. Да, карандаш. Let's now answer negatively to the general question. Это тетрадь? Нет, не тетрадь. And you see the negative particle is again connected with the next word. And my vowel is now reduced. Нет, не тетрадь. Это словарь. Это словарь? Нет, не словарь. Это тетрадь. Good. Let's now ask alternative question. Это книга или учебник? Now, или is our alternative conjunction or. Listen again. Это книга или учебник? Это книга. А это книга или учебник? Это учебник. Good. Now, let's do more practice. Что это? Это сумка или газета? Это сумка. это? Это газета или сумка? Это газета. Now let's get our eyes off the screen and get some oral practice. So would you just follow me and repeat after me, and perhaps if you feel comfortable, and you should feel comfortable, just answer my questions here. Что это? Это ручка? Да, это ручка. А это что? Это ручка? Нет, это не ручка. Это карандаш. А это что? Это тоже карандаш. Это карандаш. И это тоже карандаш. Now I'm using this conjunction и. Have a look. So on the same basis, identifying objects, I identified that this object and this object have the same basis. They belong to the category of a pencil. We can express it like that. So let's do it again. Это карандаш и это тоже карандаш. Хорошо. Это карандаш. А это карандаш? Нет. Это не карандаш. Это ручка. Это карандаш, а это ручка. Now, notice I used another conjunction here. А. Это карандаш, а это ручка. Now, conjunction I is a very interesting conjunction. It has many meanings, but here at this level, at the elementary level, all we need to know about it is that there's no direct translation into English. It could be translated both as and or but. But the idea is that we are contrasting now different objects. What is this? It's a pencil. How about this? Let's switch our attention to another and let's compare. Sometimes it has this idea of comparison. So I'm contrasting these. This is a pencil, but look, this is a pen. This is something different. Whereas conjunction E is a copulative conjunction that we are identifying that this is a pencil, this is also a pencil, this one. Это карандаш и это карандаш. Okay, let's do more practice. Что это? Это сумка. А это сумка? Нет, это не сумка. Это газета. Это сумка, а это газета. Это газета. А это что? Это газета и это тоже газета. Good. Что это? Это тетрадь. Это тетрадь. А это что? А это книга. Это тетрадь. А это книга. Это книга. А это что? Это тоже книга. Это книга. И это тоже книга. Let's now look at the gender of Russian nouns. In Russian, we have 3 genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. All nouns ending with a consonant and no ending belong to the masculine gender. When I say the ending is a flexible part of the Russian word. Here, this word does not have an ending, but potentially there will be an ending later as we decline this noun through the case system. There will be an ending. Therefore, I will call it a zero ending. The rest of the word is called the stem of the word. This stem ends with a hard consonant because it is not followed by any soft sign or soft vowel. Therefore, I will call it a hard stem noun. Muzey. The stem ends with a y consonant, which is a soft consonant. Therefore, I will call it a soft stem noun with zero ending. All nouns ending with a or ya belong to the female gender. Now, this stem ends with a hard consonant because it is followed by a hard vowel. I will call it a hard stem feminine noun. This stem ends with a soft sign. My consonant here is softened by the soft sign. I will call it a soft stem feminine noun. Then we have also neuter nouns. Neuter nouns will have endings o for hard stems and ye for soft stems. Окно is a hard stem neuter noun. Море is a soft stem neuter noun. So why do we have to differentiate hard or soft? This is going to be important later as we decline these nouns. I will treat them a bit differently. Now, there is a group of nouns that end with a soft sign. Some of them belong to the masculine gender, some of them to the female gender, and this we have to memorize. Although there are some tips that will give us an idea whether the noun is masculine or feminine. For example, all nouns ending with ar belong to the masculine gender, like словарь. Nouns ending with тель belong to the masculine gender, like in преподаватель, преподаватель. Nouns ending with ать will belong to the female gender, тетрадь. And nouns ending with ость also belong to the female gender, новость, news. Good. And then what we also have to, there's one more. Nouns ending with hushers and a soft sign also belong to the female gender. Okay, there's these nouns, they have zero ending, all of these. And then we also have to remember about masculine nouns that naturally they denote a masculine gender, but their endings are feminine. Papa, дедушка, Vanya. These nouns, like proper nouns ending with ya or a, even though they end with a or ya, these nouns belong to the masculine gender. So the endings here are grammatically, there are endings a and ya. And you will see later then these nouns will be declined as female. We will call this phenomenon as grammatical gender. And then we also have to remember some nouns, exceptions, and they actually form a separate declension. Those ending with mya belong to the neuter gender. For now, it's enough to know just two of them. Имя, время. And you will see later how they will have this separate declension. Now, if you wish to replace your noun with a pronoun in a sentence, I'll have to use personal pronouns to replace these nouns. For example, if in English you say, for the lamp, you will say it. It is, let's say, on the left. In Russian, I have to use a personal pronoun, a female personal pronoun. Она. Она слева, on the left. Семья тоже она. Then masculine nouns will be replaced by a masculine second person singular pronoun он. Стол – это он. It's not just it. You will have to replace it with он. Literally, you're saying he. The table is he in Russian. Okay, and neuter now nouns will be replaced with оно. Окно – это оно. And you see how it rhymes. Лампа – она. Окно – оно. Good. So let's do this practice, determining whether the noun is он, она или оно. Семья. Семья – это она. Молоко. Молоко – это оно. So could you help me here, please, if you read after me and replace it with a pronoun? That'll be a good practice. Друг – это он. Метро – это оно. Москва – она. Pianino – оно. It ends with o, although it sounds like pianino, reduced vowel at the end. But still, the letter is o, therefore it's the neuter gender. Чай – он. Кофе – он. It's an exception, actually. Coffee is on, although a big part of the Russian population will call it оно, so you will not be mistaken even if you make a mistake. Имя – оно. Remember, it's an exception. Nouns ending with мя will belong to the neuter gender. Кафе – оно. Notice the difference. Кофе. Кафе. Дача. Она. Упражнение. Оно. A soft stem neuter noun. We see ye in the end as the ending. So we know it's neuter gender. Словарь. Okay, soft sign, but we do remember it belongs to the masculine gender. Учитель. All nouns ending with тель will belong to the masculine gender. Дождь. This we have to memorize. Дождь – он. Секретарь. Okay, ар, just like here. Словарь – он. Секретарь – тоже он. День. Okay, soft sign. We do have to either check it in the dictionary or ask a teacher. And if we check in the dictionary, it's masculine gender. День – он. Ночь. Okay, I see here that there is ch and a soft sign. It belongs to the feminine gender. Она. Ночь – это она. Thank you so much for being with me in this lesson, and I'm looking forward to see you in lesson number 3. Bye-bye. Пока.